guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought a fish recipe, that is the Kaldeen curry, that is the bottle gourd and dry prawn curry. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the recipe. So now for the prawn and the bottle gourd curry, which is known as the Kaldeen curry, let us take a look at the ingredients first, what is required for it. For that we require a bottle gourd. Here I have got a big bottle gourd. Out of this I will be making two dishes. One is the Kaldeen curry and one I will be making another dish. Also I will be requiring 3/4 of fresh coconut. I have cut the coconut into small pieces so that it is good for grinding. Also I will be taking some dry prawns. Now we will also be requiring 4 to 6 garlic pods, a piece of ginger, black pepper, 6 to 7 black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1-inch piece of cinnamon and 4 cloves. A medium-sized tomato, a medium-sized onions and 3 green chilies. Now we have to grind all this masala now first. So we'll grind all this masala now first. So now I have taken a blender jar. Into this I will be adding first the coconut, the coriander seeds, the garlic and the ginger, the cumin seeds, the cinnamon and the cloves, the peppercorns and the turmeric powder. Now I will be grinding this now. So now I have ground this masala first. Now we will extract the thick juice of this. So I will put this into the blender. We will extract the thick juice first out. Now as you can see, this is the thick juice. Now we have to extract the thin juice. So again we have to put that masala into the jar, add 2 cups of water and extract the thin juice. So I'll do that now. Now this is the second time I have ground it. So we'll remove the thin juice now. and this is the thin extract of the masala. So we'll keep this aside now. Now I am peeling the skin of the bottle gourd. Now we have to cut it in these size pieces. So I will cut this all and get back to you all. So now I have taken a vessel, and into the vessel I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. Now the oil is nice and hot. So first we will add 1 big chopped onion. It's finely chopped. And 3 green chilies which are slit. Now we will fry this onion till they are nice golden brown in color. Now we will be adding the tomatoes. There are 2 medium sized tomatoes which are chopped finely. We'll cook the tomatoes now along with the onion till they are nicely cooked and little bit soft. Now the tomatoes are nice and soft. So now we will be adding the thin coconut milk to it. Stir it a little bit, and also we will be adding the bottle gourd to it. Now we leave the curry for a boil and let the gourd cook into it. Till then we will wait now for it. The bottle gourd is cooked. So now we will be adding the thick gravy, the thick extract, and we will mix it up nicely first. Also, we have to add salt according to taste. And now let this curry come to a boil first. Now as the gravy has come to a boil, now we will be adding the dry prawns to it. And we will give it a nice mix. Let the prawns get cooked into this gravy for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now the prawns are also cooked. So now we will be adding some tamarind water. We'll just give it another boil and then the gravy will be ready. So here the gravy is ready and I will dish it out now. So I'll switch off the flame and I'll dish it out. So here the bottle gourd dry prawns curry, that is the Kaldin curry, is ready. You all can have it with either rice or bread, that is pav. So do give this recipe a try, and please subscribe to my channel and watch the entire process till the end and enjoy. I will see you all in my next video with another interesting recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.